What do you think? I think we nailed it.
So pretty.
This is incredible.
We got the lobster roll and the scallop roll.
There's Greg right there. He's gonna let us fill up our water tank.
We're Kevin and Taylor, and for the last 12 months, we've been converting this Sprinter van into our perfect home on wheels. After a year of mostly Kevin's hard work, we are finally ready to get on the road full time and explore more of our beautiful country. Subscribe and buckle up for more. So it is 6:29. We just made it to Portland Headlight Lighthouse. We're gonna check it out for sunrise.
What do you think? I think we nailed it.
So pretty.
This is incredible.
It looks like something out of like a postcard.
I know. It's unreal.
Like all the rocks and stuff. Like I've never really seen anything like it.
It's so beautiful. So we got really freaking lucky with the sunrise. Taylor thought we were late. I thought we were right on the money.
He's lying too.
Now we're gonna go check out the main attraction. So as you can tell, we really enjoy capturing photos and memories of the different places we go. And we try and get the craziest angles of all the pictures. And then we have millions of photos that we never touch because we take too many. And it's really hard to, stay on top of it and edit all the pictures and get them out and live on our blog or on Instagram, whatever. It's just a lot of effort. We make fun of our parents, or my dad in particular, because he takes a million pictures and just never looks at them again. We basically do the same thing.
So it's only 7:08. We have a whole day to kill, and it's really early, so we have decided to go a little further south to find some more lighthouses, since that one was so cool. We liked it so much.
Well, can't go there. It's closed. So I guess we'll go check out the beaches.
Sounds good.
What do you think?
Ew.
So for this boat dock for Kettle Cove, you have to be a commercial fisherman and have a permit to park here and load your crab or I guess lobster boats. It's pretty cool.
I'm not sure what the tide is, but I know tides in Maine are pretty intense. So you can see that's probably 50 yards away, the water, and it's wet here. And I believe the ocean will go all the way up to here where all this seaweed or kelp is. Pretty crazy. Get a nice run in. Woo. Trying to get some sweat. Get our sweat on.
For one measly run, and the man can't even walk.
So I haven't ran in a while.
Anywho, so we're gonna kill some time walking around the city, and we're gonna hit up Shipyard Brewing Company. Kevin wanted to go, and now I realize they have a pumpkin beer that I would love to try. False alarm. The line is way too long. It's really cute. So we just left my favorite store called Local Color. It's super cool. It has this area where they make everything here in Maine, and it's made out of like old fisherman bibs, stuff like that.
In addition to the beautiful streets and shops in Portland, as well as the incredible water views, Portland has a lot of history to it. I didn't realize this, but it was a huge Navy presence in World War II. Casco Bay, which is a protective inlet off the coast of Portland, created the perfect place to build a naval shipyard. And if you look at Maine on the map, it's the closest state to Europe, so it just makes sense to build a naval shipyard here.
We got the lobster roll and the scallop roll.
I didn't realize the scallops were fried.
I didn't either, but they look good and they're way overloaded. This place is sweet. I haven't had it yet. Must go.
I used to have this for you.
It's just like fully loaded. They don't messing around.
So we just got back from eating at the Portland Lobster Company, and I highly recommend it. Taylor, what do you think?
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good. It's not fancy, but it's got a really good lobster roll. And the scallop rolls are loaded with scallops. They're fried.
I kind of liked it better if it wasn't fried.
Yeah?
I think so.
Overall, I would highly recommend going there. And then check out Wharf Street. Wharf Street is really cool.
So sick. Wharf Street's the best street.
Wharf Street in Old Port is definitely hands down the best.
All right, good morning. We just woke up in Top Sham,
yeah.
We actually had the pleasure of meeting some new friends, Greg and Kim. Thanks for the hospitality last night. We had a great time by the fire.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for letting us sleep in your driveway. It's beautiful. Your house is awesome.
There's Greg right there. He's gonna let us fill up our water tank. Thank you, Greg. Really appreciate it. And I'll show you a couple clips of his van as well, which is really well done. All right, so here is Greg's workmanship. He has the platform bed set up with a bigger shower than us, and he's got some really cool, clever ideas here with full access to the garage, which I'll show you in a minute. He's got really big bikes set up, but his electric compartment is right here, vented out so you don't have to worry about overheating or anything like that. And here's his shower.
In the back of Greg's van, he has a huge garage with enough space to fit 2 electric bikes with thick tires. He made it really convenient to get the bikes in and out of the van with his 500-pound drawer slide that he custom fitted in. It was really cool meeting Greg and Kim, especially since over the past year, Greg was building his van while I was building mine in parallel, and we were commenting back and forth with questions and ideas.
That should do it. I think you might have to do one little more derby. Man life. All right.
All right, bye. Thank you so much.
See you later. Oh man, that was fun.
That was fun.
Greg, Kim, thank you again. You guys are legends. You're awesome. Thank you so much for the hospitality. We had a blast.
Great time.
And your house is awesome. And your land and your barn, really, really cool. And best of luck when you guys hit the road full time next year.
Thanks again.
Join us next week as we continue north towards Taylor's favorite town, Camden, Maine. We then check out an incredible overlook and find the perfect little place to camp for the night.
And this is home for the night.
Pretty cool.